Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Maniology Mani by Me box. This is the March box, and I think it's like butterfly theme. I've been so bad. I watched some of the lives, but I haven't watched the one where they unboxed it. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Oh yes, yes, I knew it was something with butterflies. Oops, sorry. Oh, look how cute. The sky, oh yeah, it's called Sky Dancers. So yes, delicate dance of butterflies and dragonflies. Oh my gosh, yes, I love dragonflies. So we're gonna get two polishes. I think we're getting, oh yeah, this is a regular polish, I think, that you use on your nails. You don't use it for stamping. Nectar, a peachy orange stamping polish with a cream finish. And then Metamorphosis is a purple tinted nail polish with purple gold iridescent flakies. And then the special bonus for this month is says full color nail stickers, butterfly and dragonflies. All right, I'm excited. Ooh, that's pretty. Lace wing manicure how to. They show you just little inspo here. Super cute. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at everything. I'm going to take a look at the stickers first. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I don't have anything like this. Look how cute. Oh, you get two. Nice. Yes, I like to have two sets of stickers. Oh, they're different. Oh, how pretty are these? Look at that. They have like a gold shift and they're gorgeous. Butterflies and dragonflies. Look at that. How beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. So we're going to take a look at the polishes here. Oh, that is so pretty. So yes, this is a nail polish. This is not a stamping polish. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that, how pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. I don't have a peachy color like this. Oh my gosh. Nectar. Yes. Oh, this is beautiful. Yes, beautiful spring color. All right, now the plates. This is MXM123. It says butterflies. Look how pretty. And dragonflies. Look at these, how gorgeous. And like little wing designs. So pretty. Another plate here with the butterflies. Very pretty. I love these. How pretty. It's got little flowers. Gorgeous. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just get my stuff here to do some, we'll swatch this and then swatch on top. I like to swatch them on top just so I can see the color there. So yeah, I'll be right back. Oh, so this is like a kind of like an iridescent, I mean, you can layer it on. So yeah, these are regular polishes, so we do have to let it air dry. So I'm going to just do one coat. It's very pretty. And I'm going to let that dry. Alright, so we're going to stamp Nectar. This is so pretty. Do this, oh, you know what? I got to put my sticky base. Yeah, you always want to put your sticky base or the image. I can't even get it to stick on here, so. And then I have to let that dry. I want to do this big butterfly here. It's so pretty. Oh, I took his little part of his wing off there. Oh, that color is just so pretty. Look at it. Oh my gosh, gorgeous for spring. All right, so I'm going to figure out what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna do something on my hand or on the practice hand. I'm not sure yet. So yes. Oh, let me show you the polish. This is with 2 coats. It's got like a rainbow shift. It's so pretty. So yes, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do and I'll be back. All right, so I am back. We are going to do the set, and like I said, in my Bexy Glow haul, I'm going to be using the Blush Baby Shimmer as my background for my little demo for the stamping plates, and then Crystal Glow, and then of course the stamping plates, the polishes. So I already have my Peel Off base coat on, and I'm going to be using the Bexy Glow. These are the Coffin XL tips. I'm going to be using these, and I should have sized them out before I put the Peel Off base. Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to size them out and then I'll be back. Alright, so I got them all sized out, and because I have the Peel Off base coat, I have to go in with base coat to put the tips on. I can't just use regular glue. I can't get it to stick with regular nail glue, so I just put them on with the base coat. And then I have my little light here. My pinky nail is a little bit crooked, so I need to make sure I get it on there right. And then I just flash cure it, and then when I'm all done, I just put it in the light. But yeah, that's what they look like. They're nice tips. Alright, so I went ahead and put the tips on. I am just going to cut them down. Alright, so I got my powder here. I'm using the Zulays monomer because we can't get the Bexy Glow here, you know, shipped over. So, and I'm using my new Bexy Glow brush. So yes, they're all going to be the same. They're all going to be, the base is going to be the Blush Baby Shimmer. And then I'm going to stamp over that. I'm going to show, I did do just a little practice real quick just to see if it looked good or not. So yeah, I really like this color. It's so pretty. But yeah, just kind of an idea of what I wanted to do. And I just decided I wanted to do it on my hand. Alright, so while I apply the acrylic, I just want to talk about the monthly box. I never really explain what the monthly box is all about. I usually just start opening the box and I never really get a chance to explain. But so the plates in the box are only exclusive to the subscribers. So the public won't be able to go on the website and order any of the plates from the boxes. They're only exclusive to the subscribers. You can, once you're a subscriber, you can go back and buy, like, if you missed, you know, December's plates or whatever, and you're now a subscriber, you can go ahead and purchase those if they're available. But yeah, just the public won't be able to go on the website and order the plates. The polishes will be available to the public. I believe it's a couple weeks after the box comes out. So the polishes will be available to the public, but the plates are only exclusive to the subscribers. So yeah, I love that. You can go back and order some plates. Like I said, if you liked previous months and you weren't a subscriber, then you can go ahead and get those plates. And you also get some other perks. You get 10% off your orders. You get free shipping on orders over $30. You earn more stamps with the rewards program. I love the rewards program. When you make purchases, and then too, like when you subscribe to the box, you get points, and then you get, like, you know, like last time I got 10 off of 50. There's some you get like a free top coat. You know, it just depends. So yeah, the exclusive plates, and then it says you can skip or cancel anytime. So if you want to skip a month, you can do that and you won't be charged. So it's a great subscription box. I've had it for March is a year. I had it for a year and I just absolutely love it. The box did go up in price, I believe starting this month. So instead of $25, it's now $30. But like I said, I do the where I get charged quarterly, so it's a couple dollars cheaper if you do it that way, or you can do like every 6 months, or you can just do the monthly the monthly fee, but I pay every 3 months and it comes out to be a little bit cheaper. So yeah, I really enjoy the box. If you love stamping, it's an absolutely amazing subscription box. So now we're going to go into the clear. This is the application here. It's okay. You know, not anything perfect at all, but I love the Crystal Glow. That's the name of the Bexy Glows Clear. But I just thought this is going to make such a beautiful background for the stamping that I want to do. And I have so many acrylics and I need to use them. I need to quit buying things. Seriously, I'm gonna stop. You know, I have the monthly box. I have so much stuff. I just really need to stop purchasing. So I'm gonna try to go a couple months without purchasing anything. We'll see how that goes. Don't mind my nose. I'm kind of stuffed up. I think it's just allergies. Last night I was having a hard time breathing. I get like that sometimes when like allergies, you know. So yeah, don't mind my stuffy nose, but I'll just let you go ahead and watch me encapsulate the nails. Alright, so I already filed and buffed off camera. I used my swipe. That's why there's a little bit of white there. I know alcohol, swipe, anything like that kind of leaves like a little bit of white around there. I did take a brush and scrub real good, but yeah, I didn't want to show any of the filing or anything. It's all about the stamping, you know, stamping plates. But I just wanted to show you the acrylic. I thought it just looked so pretty for what I'm doing here. I'm going in on the pinky and I'm going to use the stickers that came in the box. Sorry, I was kind of out of frame. I kind of get close to my face and then I don't realize I'm out of frame, but I wanted to go ahead and put these little stickers on here. The stickers are super cute. Make sure they're pressed down really good. So for the ring finger, yeah, I did this on my practice hand. I did a little bit of purple spots on the nail. That way the wing, you could see a little bit of the purple, you know, like kind of different colored wings. So I'm just going to go in and just put, I do put like 2 or 3 layers of this polish. And this is a regular polish, so you do have to wait for it to dry. But I'm just gonna putting them just a couple little spots there, like I said, so when I stamp the wings it'll show some, you know, color through the stamp. But yeah, this is so pretty. Those flakes are gorgeous. And so while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm gonna go in with the Bexy Glow top coat. I just absolutely love this top coat. It is amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the top coat and we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Look at that top coat, how gorgeous. How shiny, and it's sealed so good you can't even feel the sticker at all. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Alright, so now we're going to get into the stamping. I'm using this gorgeous color. It's called Prana. And it's such a beautiful turquoise shimmer. Oh, I just absolutely love it. So the whole image is like a butterfly and it has little flowers and it has little leaves. But I didn't want to stamp it all one color. So I'm kind of doing it separately. I'm doing the butterfly first. And then you'll see I go in and do the flowers separately just to kind of put it all together because I wanted it to be different colors. So yeah, I'll let you go ahead and watch me do that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and top coat with the Bexy Glow Top Coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I did go ahead and top coat after I did a few layers of that purple, just in case if I stamped and I didn't like it or if it got messed up, it wouldn't take the polish off since it is a, you know, regular polish. So I just wanted to seal that color in. Look at this dragonfly, how beautiful the color is. Oh, I just love it. So I'm just going to be putting stickers on the index finger. So you'll see I did the thumb, but I'm going to change it because I did have the orange, the butterfly wings like this on the ring finger, but I didn't end up liking it for some reason. With the peachy color, I don't know, I just thought because the butterfly was like that turquoise, I'll just do the wings turquoise. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to go ahead and apply the little butterfly wings. You can see the little purple coming through some of the wings. I don't know, I just thought it was something different. And then you'll see on the thumb, I did take that off because I just didn't, I don't know, I wanted to use this peachy color too, so I thought it looked fine. But yeah, I just kind of switched it or switched the colors around. But this peach color is just, oh, just so pretty, like a peachy orange. I just love it. Perfect for spring. So I had to add, I'm going to add something to the middle finger because it just looks too plain. So I got these rhinestones actually in last month's box, and they have like kind of a purpley blue shift. So I'm going to be using those rhinestones. Alright, so I'm just adding some rhinestones here. Just wanted to add a little something to that middle nail. We are coming close to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please check out Mani by Me. Like I said, the box is amazing. If you don't want to get the box right now, I do have a code Sondra10. You can save 10% if you want to go on and just pick up a plate, you know, and a couple polishes. Stamping is so fun, so relaxing. I absolutely love it. I enjoy it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the final look. I think they came out really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.